It is a beautiful summer's day here on Straddie, Flinders Beach. We're in track I, and check out this view behind us. We're right on the beach. How good is this campsite? We're all set up. So I just picked up the Hilux about 2 weeks ago, and I thought we better maybe run through what we've done so far and what the plans are. So it's in the nebula blue. We got the bonnet protector, the ARB Solis lights, the ARB Sahara Bar. Got it color coded with the black, matte black hoop instead of the chrome. And we're running the GME large whip at the minute. Put the black wrap on. We've also come around this side. We got the Safari Armax Snorkel. And we also did the Old Man Emu GVM upgrade with a 2-inch lift, both front and rear in here. So that gives us way more carrying capacity payload wise. And then you'll also see we've got the MW Toolboxes custom canopy. Now we've also got to put wheels and tyres on this yet. Going to try and get maybe 285 7017s on with some nice wheels. When we do that, we'll fit the spare on the back here. But the MW Toolboxes canopy is working really well so far. We got the jerry can holder and the ladder to get up to the rooftop tent, which we'll go into later. At the back here we've got a nice trundle drawer with a nice flat surface to work on, and also a step because the ladder for my little short legs doesn't come down far enough. Anyway, that's all right. So we got that. Toolbar all wired up. Redlands toolbar took the electrics up for me. Doing a good job. We've spec'd up the aftermarket tail lights, and then what I've done inside here, I've put some electrics in so far. So just for this trip, we've put actually it's my son's 60-litre Waco in there just to give us a bit more carrying capacity, because we're away for 8 days this time on Straddie. And then we got this before we left. So this is actually the King's 85-litre fridge, which is working really well, and we built it in with the surround, but the carpet, it did a wooden cover for it. We'll go around the other side and show you that. All Victron electrics. So we got the DC to DC charger there and the solar MPPT charger there. Haven't got any solar on the roof yet. We're just running a couple of these solar panels here just into it until we get the solar on the roof. We got this from RTM. It's the PowerTech board. So it's got a couple of SIGI outlets, USB, bit of a voltmeter there, and some switches for our lights, which are the hardcore lights. And I've got our two switches here that dims them up and down and changes the color from, I think it's warm light to cool light to the amber at night time, so you don't get all those bugs, which works really well. A couple isolators in. I've got a 240 charger in at the back here for when we get home we can plug it into the mains and charge the batteries up, which I'll show you. Got some recovery gear in this locker. And around here we got on this side we got, well, we'll open it up. So got 200R lithium batteries just here in the meantime. I'm going to build a box around these at some point. There's the back of the fridge, all nicely carpeted. I ran out of carpet, so I had to use 3 bits, but I think it's going to work out all right. ARB dual compressor there with the, got my switch and the socket there for it. So then what I've done is I've put all the air stuff and whatever else in here, just so we can get aired up pretty quick. I gotta finish this bit off here still. I'm gonna try and get some angle around here. That's just where the clip for the latch comes down into. So that's that. The car itself, it's an SR5, which we spec'd up to the premium interior, so it's got nice leather seats. We've got the GME, the XRS handset there, and just running the quad lock phone holder. That's kind of the only things we've done inside to it. It's really comfortable to drive. The Old Man Emu suspension makes it super smooth, I must admit. I guess when we get bigger tires on it and bag them out, it's going to be an even nicer ride, but really enjoying it at the meantime. So up here we've got the Bush Company DX27, I think it is. Yeah, DX27 rooftop tent, which is pretty bloody easy to set up. I'll just set you down here a second and see if I can. Oops. Smooth this a bit. I've done the wrong thing. That's better. No, where have I got you? Here. So let's get this tent set up. I'll just show you how that works. Is that going to work? No. Keep these in the canopy at the minute. I'll find another place for them, but it's pretty easy to get to. That's pretty much the tent set up. My daughter's sleeping here at the minute, but I'll just give you a quick look inside it. So in here we got pockets upstairs, and we got a light up here which will go amber, and white, which is pretty cool. And then down at the back we got a couple of power sockets. We got a Siggy and a USB, plus another pocket there. There's another pocket there. These windows all open up. I slept in this 2 weeks ago up at Land Cruiser Mountain Park, and it was actually really comfy. The mattress is, I think, a 70mm mattress, but I had no issues with it. I've put the ladder mount over on the window side, so for the ladder that comes with it, because I don't foresee myself using it much, but I've got it there just in case. But yeah, all in all, really happy with this. So we're going on a trip next month up through Esquay, so we'll give it a go, see what happens. All right, let's pack it up. I'll do a more detailed review on this later on, but I think at the minute, just getting used to it. So let me set you back over here again, and I'll get it packed up. done. I probably made that look harder than it should be. Anyway, so that's about it for the car. So yeah, as we do some mods, we'll check back in and see what else we've done. I'm going to do another video on, so we've got a Easy Trail Lincoln Mark II camper trailer, which I'll do another video on soon and let you see around that. Okay, for today though, see you later.